Hi everyone, we're outside in the park this week for a special about Forest School. We have Forest School teachers and class for Forest School, and also we have Miley. This is Miley. Miley is Forest School dog. Everybody in ISL knows about Miley and her role in Forest School. And I have David and Anna, who are the main Forest School teachers, and they're just going to tell us a little bit about what they're doing today, and also maybe talk to the class a little bit about what they've been doing. So David.
Yes, well, this morning we've been making some bird feeders, some nice really organic bird feeders. They've been prepped at school. We've got some nice sunflower seeds on half apples and biodegradable string. And the students are going to go and hang them up strategically so we can feed the small birds in the park. And today we've been learning about some of the small birds, and they've been doing some lovely drawings that you've probably already seen.
Well, yes. Who'd like to tell me a little bit about the birds? Beatrice.
So the birds that we chose to draw and give the food to are birds that normally come to Gannisbury Park and that we see daily. So that's about it, what we're doing today.
Some examples of the birds?
So for example, I drew a red robin because you see them quite a lot in this park, but you also see lots of different types too, like parakeets and crows.
Yeah.
And yeah, a lot of them.
Blue tits. So everybody, there you go. There's a sense of what they're doing today. They also started with a mindfulness activity. And now we're just going to let everyone get on with it and film as they start the activity. And so good luck everybody with your bird feeders.
Thank you very much. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Wow, okay. That's interesting. Yeah. Because I think the birds do something like that when they migrate. Somehow.
Arrived.
I chose to draw a magpie because I like them. I chose to draw a robin because it's so cute and I like the colors, how it turned out.
Lovely.
I chose to draw a magpie because I like them. I chose to draw robin because it's a very cute bird.
I chose to draw a red robin because I like the details on its fur and it's really cute.
Oh, I chose to draw robin because he was cute.
What is it?
I chose to draw a pigeon because it reminds me of New York.
Blue tit.
I chose blue tit because it was cute.
Blue tit.
I chose blue tit because it looked cute.
Because?
Because it looked cute.
Because it looks cute. And it's Miss Anna's favorite in your garden.
Parrot because it's not many in my garden.
Boys?
Not too high because after it.
Whoa, perfect. Anya, that one's perfect, yeah. There's a dog stroke. I will put that one higher. I will put this one higher. And it needs to be a thick. Make sure the branch is nice and thick, otherwise it's flat. You can snap.
Okay, go.
Whoa, who's got the the shortest. Check who's got the shortest.
I got it.
Oh, there you go. There comes.
I got my way.
Forest school is a lesson where we go out to the nature and make stuff that are for animals, and we learn more about our natural environment.
We also in first school we learn about like new animals that they are in our environment here at this park that we mostly go to, and we
Learn
like
how
explore.
Yeah, we learn how to care for different animals. We learn their natural habitats, and we make stuff like today we made little food for them with little apples and seeds. I love how we get to experience nature and how it's a class, but it's also a way to to enjoy nature and to become friendly with where we live.
The thing I love most about forest school is probably how you get to relate with like the nature, and like you get to like say hi to Miley all the time, and you also get to like make new things.
And how like every morning we kind of do an exercise, like a mindfulness exercise to sort of get to like feel nature in some way. Hello!
Oh, that's fun.
If we were to hide now under the tarps, they might come. Not the noise. We're cooking.
Oh, this is so cute.
Look at like a family. Look at those. No, I don't think I have.
No, so it was small.
Oh, it's you. No.